Hello students, let us see this question here. The acceleration of a particle is increasing linearly with time as bt. So in the question it is given a is equal to bt. Okay. Now the particle starts from origin with initial velocity v naught and then distance traveled by the particle in time t it is asking. So a is given bt, so I can say here dv upon dt is equal to bt. So I will say here dv upon bt dt. If I do the integration both sides, so at t is equal to 0, the velocity is given v naught. At any time t, the velocity, let us suppose it is v. So I will say here this will become v, so that will be v from v naught is equal to, the integration of this will be b into t square upon 2. And now this is from, right, the limits will be from 0 to t. So so this will be v minus v naught is equal to, and this will become bt square upon 2 minus 0. So this will become this only. So from here I can say the velocity will become bt square upon 2 plus v naught. Now the velocity is known to me now. Now the velocity is equal to dx upon dt, because I need to find the distance here. So I will write the velocity as dx by dt, where x is the position. So this can be written like bt square upon 2 plus v naught. Okay, and from here dx is equal to bt square upon 2 plus v naught into dt. And the integration of this, right, both sides I am taking the integration, and here the initial position is 0, the final position let us suppose it is x, and initial time is 0, and at after time t the position suppose x is there. This I need to find, right. I am omitting this left hand side to make some space here. So now I can say this will become x, the limits will be from 0 to x, and integration of this can be written like b upon 2, and t square is nothing but tq upon 3, plus this will become v naught into t, and the limits are from 0 to t. So that will become x minus 0 is equal to, and this will become btq upon 6 plus v naught into t. So from here I can say the x will become btq upon 6 plus v naught into t. So since the body, right, since the particle is moving in the straight line, right, and in the same direction, so whatever the final position is there, that will also be the distance traveled. So I can say x is the final position after time t, and this x will also be the distance, because the particle is moving in the straight line and in the same direction. So x will also be equal to distance. So the answer will be this. So let us see which option is matching here. So you can easily see option 3 is matching v naught into t plus btq upon 6. So option 3 is there. Okay. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.